The automotive world is abuzz with anticipation as Chevrolet unveils its bold vision for the future of American muscle cars with the 2026 Chevy Camaro. Positioned as a formidable challenger to the Ford Mustang, this latest iteration of the Camaro aims to reclaim its status as a true icon of performance and style. At first glance, the 2026 Chevy Camaro exudes an aura of power and aggression. Renderings showcase a modern interpretation of classic Camaro design cues, with a sleek, sculpted body that emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. From its aggressive front fascia to its muscular rear haunches, every angle of the Camaro exudes confidence and athleticism, setting the stage for thrilling performance on both road and track. Under the hood, the 2026 Camaro promises to deliver exhilarating performance options that cater to a wide range of enthusiasts. From potent V8 engines to advanced hybrid powertrains, Chevrolet is poised to offer a lineup that balances raw horsepower with enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. This commitment to performance innovation ensures that the Camaro remains a leader in its segment, capable of thrilling drivers with every twist of the throttle. Inside, the 2026 Camaro combines cutting-edge technology with driver-centric design. The cockpit is a blend of premium materials, intuitive controls, and advanced infotainment options that keep occupants connected and entertained. Whether cruising down the highway or tackling tight corners on a racetrack, the Camaro's interior is designed to enhance comfort, control, and overall driving experience. Chevrolet's focus on safety is evident in the 2026 Camaro, which integrates the latest in driver assistance technologies to enhance awareness and mitigate risks on the road. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind without compromising the thrill of driving. These innovations underscore Chevrolet's commitment to prioritizing both performance and safety in its vehicles. As Chevrolet prepares to unleash the 2026 Camaro onto the global stage, anticipation among enthusiasts is palpable. The Camaro's legacy as an American icon of performance and style is set to be revitalized with this latest iteration, positioning it as a dark horse challenger to the Ford Mustang's dominance. With its blend of striking design, exhilarating performance, and advanced technology, the 2026 Chevy Camaro promises to reignite passions and redefine expectations in the competitive muscle car segment. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevy Camaro represents more than just a vehicle, it embodies Chevrolet's unwavering commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering uncompromising performance. As a dark horse challenger to the Ford Mustang, the Camaro stands ready to captivate enthusiasts with its blend of heritage, innovation, and sheer driving exhilaration. Whether on the road or roaring down the track, the 2026 Camaro is poised to leave an indelible mark on the automotive landscape, reaffirming its status as an enduring symbol of American muscle car excellence.